Hey there, everybody. Undead Man 360 here, back with another Stardew Valley playthrough. We are on day 8 of the game. I'm just waiting for the loading screen. Alright. I'm gonna throw some stuff in the that and that and okay. So the next step I want to do is I want to try to get 5 of the bars, and I need to get 2,000 gold. I want to upgrade my axe, and then what I will do is I'll upgrade my axe first. While my axe is being upgraded, I'll get the other 2,000 up and take and upgrade my pick, so that I can get deeper in the mines quicker. Because I do want to get to the iron bars. Or, yeah, steel, iron, yeah. Pet the chickens. Hi, chickens. Egg. Alright, so I'm level 8 in the mines. I am going to go check the board first, though, before I go into the mines. Because I want to make sure that I'm getting quests knocked out. Take the bug meat with me. Put that there. I don't really want to sell the eggs before I get the mayo machine, but that may be a viable source of income if I have to. Water. Put the watering can away. Alright, to town. Oh, cat. I gotta go pet the cat. Meow. I love the cat meow. They could not have put that a better sound bite than that. It is adorable. It makes my heart smile. Okay, well that's actually handy because I gotta go in the mines and deal with slimes anyway. I actually do have a dandelion, so I'll make sure I take that back with me to the house, because I will turn what seeds I got into the spring seeds, and those will sell pretty decent, so that'll be a good chunk of change going towards the upgrading of my axe. I just realized I walked through town and didn't talk to a single person. I'm so used to playing like the min-max one where it's like I ignore everybody and then just like do my own thing, that I kind of forgot that I am supposed to be becoming friends with the town folk, so... Alright, and then that's one of the items I need for the crab pot bundle. So I may drop that off at the community center on the way back through. Pink, pink, pink. I will fight this slime. I would have loved to have been able to find the Neptune's Blade or the Poseidon's Trident before coming into the mine, but I didn't do as much fishing as I usually do. Actually, on one run I had 2. And I was just like, okay, alright then. 2 of the Neptune's Blade. I'm fighting the crab monster thing because I need to see if I can get a crab from him. Negative, okay. Did that complete the quest for... Okay, I've completed that one. Alright, I gotta get one more green slime. Actually, I'm just going to keep going. I'll probably come across a green slime as I'm going deeper into the mines. At least they'll get a little bit of copper. Alright. Does that get the... Yep, I just gotta talk to Mayor Lewis. So, that quest is done. Run away! Yeah, I'm running away. I'm gonna leave that there. Okay, good. Got one right here. Ooh, and another earth crystal. Okay, so that was disheartening. I hate that the weapon is this weak at the moment, because it limits the ability to get down levels, but it is what it is. I do think it's funny that he sent me down. He's like, oh, it's dangerous in there. And then he sends me down with a rusty sword. It's dangerous! Yes. Some actual assistance with a good weapon would be nice, sir. I'm breaking open the crates because I'm hoping I can find sometimes there's a mallet that's in the crates. That would be a better weapon than what I have. I am going to drop that and grab a cave carrot because I can use that for the foraging bundle. Alright, one more level, and then level 10. No, stop. Go away. No, I don't want your Girl Scout cookies. Go away. Oh my gosh. Ladder. Anytime now. Anytime. There we go. Alright, that wasn't a complete pain. Alright, gonna go up. I'm gonna drop off the stuff in there, and I'm gonna go back down. I don't remember if this is the sword or the shoes. Shoes, okay. Yay, leather boots. Because I need all the protection. Since I don't have pants, you know. Take that with me. That can stay. That needs to go with me, and that can stay. Alright. Off to the... I'm going to hit the museum first, because the museum will close here shortly. Demetrius. Maru helps me in the lab sometimes. She's a good kid. Awesome. Have I told you that I built our house from the ground up? Yes, Robin, I believe it. Your house is pretty amazing. It's definitely been the highlight of my career so far. I would love to do that. I'm going to build tiny homes on homesteads. Home people who need a home, and provide a home for the people that I have loved in my life. Maru! Whenever I'm struggling with a technical problem, I always take a walk. Me too. I did that today. It's surprising how much a change of scenery can help. Indeed. I agree, Maru. That's smart thinking. Plus, it's good for your body. Helps with depression, especially in the winter, because, like, winter can be a depressing time for a lot of people. Today we had... Well, dang. Today we had, more decent weather than we've had here. So, it was nice to get out and take a walk. It was a little bit chilly. I went around, picked up some trash. Found a few interesting things while I was walking. Alright, well, I guess we're just going to go to the community center and drop off what I got for there. Alright, so cave carrot. See, that's what I mean. Like, so when I get the tapper, I'll have those three. Then I'm going to do the mushroom cave, so I'll have those three as a viable option also to turn in. I also do the mushroom cave because the mushrooms are continuously giving you energy, where the bat cave drop rate for those items doesn't it doesn't spawn enough to be a viable source of income. But so the idea is, I get the mushroom cave. I can sell the mushrooms, what mushrooms I don't need for the energy, and then I can turn around and buy the trees that I need for the bundle. The apricot tree, well, I need an apricot for one of the things also already. And I'll drop off the whatever that is. I forget what that's called. Periwinkle. Alright. That's done. Ooh, cutscene for Linus. Grumpy old man comes out. Grrr. Grr, sounds like those raccoons are back again. Filthy varmints. Raccoons are cool, though. You turned up at the right moment. See, everybody gets upset by raccoons knocking over the trash cans and stuff. Or, well, people kind of used to get upset about it. But raccoons are cute. Like. And they're very smart. Could you do an old man a favor? Could you go to around the corner and scare off those raccoons for me? They've been causing a real mess. Thanks. Make sure you give them a good scare so they never come back. Hi, Linus. I'm not judging. I go through the trash can all day, all the time. Well, I find a lot of hot, fresh food in these cans. Stuff that will go to waste if I don't take it. I don't know about hot and fresh, but, I mean, I believe you can find some trash cookies. Do you think there's something wrong with what I'm doing? No. Not everyone is cut out for this world. Undead Man 360. You don't know what it's like to be me. I'm not harming anyone. I just want to live life in my own way. Is that so wrong? No. Private property. No, but you should get a job and stop leeching help. No, it's a shame for good food for food to go to waste. Thanks, Undead Man 360. I knew you were an open-minded person. I feel good about what I'm doing. I'm not harming anyone. Correct. You're not harming anyone. You can go home. I promise I won't rummage in George's can anymore. You can tell him you scared off the raccoons for good. I'm going to rummage through George's can every single day. This I do like. Gus comes out. Hey, buddy, I got food. I know what you're doing, Linus. What you were doing, Linus. ... If you need food, just ask. I don't want anyone in Pelican Town to go hungry. And that's how we should treat each other. Here, I've got a basket of zucchini fritters for you. Just make sure you dip them in my spicy marinara. I suddenly have an idea for zucchini fritters, so now my stomach's grumbling. Go on, take it. See, I was gonna go rummage in the trash can, just to prove a point. And off to the house. I gotta remember to talk to Mayor Lewis tomorrow to get my bounty for the slimes. He actually may have been in the saloon. I may go back and talk to him now. Now, first I'm going to do this, that. that. And that. And then I'll put that in there, that in there. And then I'm going to make some seeds. Craft. And put those back. And actually, yes, I am going to go into town. Because I think... Yeah, I'm going to go to the saloon. I'm going to go to the saloon. He may be at the saloon. If he is, then I get to complete this and boom, I'll have a little bit extra cash. Plus whatever I get for the spring seeds. Nope, not tonight. I will go talk to people though. Actually, I need to go talk to people. Hey, Clint. Yep, I'm a blacksmith. That you are, Clint. Good job. Way to know what you do. My father was also a blacksmith. I'm guessing your grandfather was a blacksmith? Is it a family thing? I don't... Like a family line thing? I don't know you. Why are you talking to me? Dude, I've talked to you several days now. You're just so rude. Nothing like a sip of the old good stuff to warm these old bones. Okay, Pam. Nothing like a sip... Okay, we already said that, Pam. Yes. It's important to me that people can eat healthy, delicious meals. Unfortunately, in today's world, that's not so easy for everyone. Okay. Welcome to the Stardrop Saloon. Can I get you anything? Emily? Have I told you that Haley and I are sisters? Strange, isn't it? Not really. I mean... Same mother and father, that's how that works. Do one last check of things, so we're going to put that there. We're going to get a charcoal, or a copper bar going. That'll give me 4 copper bars. I'll have 5 copper bars before I go into town tomorrow. Those mixed seeds aren't going to give me enough. I will get some money for dropping off an artifact at the museum. That's still not going to be enough money, so I'm going to go ahead and sell the silver quality eggs and see what that will get me. I don't need the pine cones at all. Ever, just ever. Or maybe later on I might need them, but not right now. And alright. Throw these in the shipping bin. See what we get. Wow, you really took the long way around there, bud. Alright. Into the house. Monday. Oh, hold on. I just want to make sure I did get the recipe. I'm pretty sure I got the recipe from the other day. If not, then I need to remember on Wednesday to double check. So on Sundays, they'll give you a recipe. The Queen of Sauce will give you a recipe. On Wednesday, she does a rerun in case you missed it on Sunday. All right, let's see what we get. Alright, 638. Not too shabby, but not too great. I will have to do some hoofing it in the next video in order to get my axe upgraded. So, this has been Undead Man 360. I will see you in the next video.